Is it worth it? That's what we're here today in Darnstown to come take a look at this thing and see, is it really worth it? This is a 4-bedroom, 4-bath home, and they are asking $770,000. It's really wooded and it's really quiet out here. I like it so far, so let's go walk around the outside and then we'll take a tour through the inside. It's got a nice big circle driveway, brick and siding. Roof looks to be in really good shape. That front window, I think that needs to be replaced. There's some fogging in it. Looks like they had some wood rot on the front of that as well. And deep window wells. I think those white pipes are for the septic clean out. There's your well. Oh, look how pretty that is. There's something wrestling around over there. It's either squirrel or deer. Probably squirrel. Nice deck off the back of the house, walk out. What is this? Well, that's nice. All right, so they dug that out to make it a full egress basement. And overall property is 3.5 acres. There's one HVAC here. I think I saw a couple of others on the other side. We'll check this one first. In 2018. And there's your septic over there. So I'm not sure what those other 2 white pipes were for on the other side, but there is your septic system there. There's 2 green lids. And I thought I saw another HVAC unit. And this one is 2020, I think. Electric meter. All right, let's go take a look inside. And we enter into the foyer. Just to the left is the master. Oh, I like this. Beautiful hardwood floors, freshly painted. Big walk-in closet. And this master bath is really nice. Not the color, but this is more what I was referring to. Let's go check out the rest of the house. And we got a half bath here. And laundry. Does walk out, I think, to the deck. Yep, walks out to the deck. Really great space. Now to the kitchen. Dining space that also walks out. Great for relaxing, entertaining. Beautiful work on the fireplace. And this is set up for a wood stove, which is a pipe is right there. And we'll check the basement out in a second. Full bath in the hall. Really pretty tile work again. And it looks like they even have a separate water line for a bidet. Bedroom 1. Bedroom 2. And bedroom 3. So we got 4 bedrooms upstairs. If you like the upstairs of the house, wait till you see the downstairs. I've already been down there. Now we are down in the basement. And oh, look at there. There's an entirely separate kitchen. So this could serve as an in-law space, an ADU, or rental unit, if you're not sure what an ADU is. Water heater from 26, it looks like. I'm reading that correctly. Everything new, got PVC. And pressure tank from 23. All hardware looks new. And settlement filter. Yeah, somebody did a lot of nice work in here. And a full bath. Same tile upstairs. A little crack in the joints there, but that's an easy fix. And then this is now an official bedroom because they have the full-size egress window. If you saw that from outside, they dug that out and made it really nice. So this serves as a bedroom, great living space. It can be an office, a storage room. And more storage. We got the electrical panel, sub panel, heat pump, and the ejector pump. So this was installed in '93, which it was definitely heavied up. And we got a sub panel, could be for down here. And this HVAC is from 2019. And separate laundry area. So yeah, this could be, that ductwork is all new as well. Because it's got the mastic, I think it's called mastic, all the white stuff on there. Looks like they missed a spot right there though. Well, this thing's really hard not to like.